How y'all doing? It's time for another diecast flashback, and this time I have a 1973 Pontiac Trans Am. This is actually a brand new and right out of the package. Picked it up today at Walmart. It's pretty cool. They did a great job on the paint on it, but it needs a little improvement. There's a lot of room for detailing, license plates, and wheel swap. I think we can do a little bit better on some wheels. Those aren't bad wheels, but I've got some Real Rider Kragers. Check them out. We'll put these on there. Look at there, that probably fit without even doing anything. Might have to trim that axle a little bit. Let's see about the front ones. Yeah. Want them to fit right, but that'll look pretty cool. I got that and I thought, man, that they did a good job on that, but it needs a little TLC. Get rid of that Hot Wheels logo off the back of it. That'll look good. All right. Hang around to the end. Let's see how it turns out. Let's get going. Let's get this taken apart. There we go. Pretty nice interior. Okay, I cut the the new wheels, the Real Riders. I took the tires off of them and painted them chrome. And you can see they turned out pretty good. And I'm going to reuse the axles for these because I put the sleeves in there. And I don't know what the size of this is. Maybe, I don't know, two millimeters maybe. A 32nd. I don't know, I'm not sure. But these fit. I just cut them and I had the channel that was in there where the original axle went. I cut the little clips off of it and had to make it a little deeper so they will fit in there level. So now these are probably, I'm gonna have to cut these back. Let's see. I guess we'll start on the front. It doesn't really matter. So we'll get these little ones. Put the wheels back on there. There we go. That looks cool. When this company I bought these from, they didn't have any more chrome ones. I would have bought them that way. They had a gray, but that's okay. I paid like $1.99 for a set. Can't really beat that. I think they're called MRR. They're out of California. Pretty good quality. All right. Okay, so I got the back ones on. Let's show you what I did on the front ones. You gotta cut the axle. About the same. Put a little glue. On the inside here. Okay. Where'd my axle go? Oh, well, we'll just use, I got one right here. I forgot. Let's get a little more glue. All right. It's a roller. Oh, that looks good. Let's put this on the body. I painted the body already. And there we go. All right, let's get it together. Turned out pretty good. There's the new wheels. And the body's all touched up pretty nicely. So, and I did a little bit of interior. They had a chrome dash and a little chrome around the shifter and on the steering wheel. I just put a little bit of stuff on there, not much. You're not going to see that anyway. Did the floor polish on the windshield, made it nice and shiny. So let's see. Let's get the car turned upside down here. Get that window in there. Interior. Well, come on, don't give me a hard time. Oh. Okay, I forgot. Got to do something. This goes up a little bit further that way because it's part of the grill. Well, come on. There we go. It's a pretty cool car. Hope you all enjoyed the little video, a little quickie. I like doing these from time to time. There we go. Good roller. Let's take a look at it up close. Let's zoom you in some. We got some details on the headlights and all the underneath there. Door handles. Even put little spots in the shaker hood there and the vents. And there's the back. Didn't have any license plates. I don't have any U.S. style license plates. Everything I've got is British, for corgis and dinkies. Well, hope you enjoyed that little quick video. Tell me what you think about wheel swaps and 1973 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. And I'll see you next time with another diecast flashback. Have a good one. Now that's a flashback. Have a good one.